Bengaluru, the capital city of Karnataka, founded by our Nadaprabhu the Great Kempegowda. Bengaluru was initially known as Bendakaluru, which means the town of boiled beans. So the name got termed as Bendakaluru to Bengaluru, then later it was called as Bangalore, and now again Bengaluru. So today let's know some interesting facts behind area names in Namma Bengaluru. Hi everyone, welcome to Delight World. Firstly, let's see about Majestic. As we hear Majestic, we remember the Majestic bus stand, right? The bus station got the name as Majestic Bus Stand, and it was from the popular cinema theatre which had the same name and it was located nearby. Later, it was named as Kempegowda bus station in the honor of our Nadaprabhu Kempegowda I, who is the founder of the greater city Bengaluru. Now let's see about Alsur. Alsur is known for its beautiful lake in Bengaluru, and this lake was being built by Kempegowda II. The sweet story behind this name is that there used to be a jackfruit farm near this Alsur lake. In Kannada, the name for jackfruit is called as Halasina Hannu. Due to this, the area got its name as Halasuru. And later during the British rule, the name was being modified from Halasuru to Alsur, which is commonly now called as Halsur in the public. Let's know the story behind Nagarabavi. As per the meaning in Kannada, Nagara means snake, Bavi means well. The name Nagarabavi literally means well of snakes. Also, it was said that the name is due to the highest number of snakes that was present in the area. Some people even believe that it is called well because of the surrounding hillocks or small hills. And these hillocks are no longer present due to the urbanization in the later period. And I hope even snakes too. Now let's go to Whitefield.
ನೀನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತ್ರ ವೈಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನೇ
ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ, ಈಗ ಬಿಳಿ ಮೈದಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ.
ಇದಲ್ಲ ಅದು
Back in the history, in 1882, King Chamaraja Odiyar IX, the Maharaja of Mysore state, had granted 3,900 acres of land to the Eurasian and Anglo-Indian Association. It was for the establishment of the agricultural settlements at Whitefield. And the locality is named after D.S. White, who is the founder of the same association. Now let's go to Marthahalli. This area got its name from a fighter aircraft named Maruth, which was designed and assembled in Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, which is shortly called as HAL, and this is close to this area. Also, there were some other interesting versions on the same name, saying that the same Maruth plane which was being crash landed in this area, and also there was a Maruti temple in this location, and also long ago there were Marathas who lived in this location. Quite exciting, right? Next, let's go for ATM. Sorry. BTM. Yeah, it's BTM, HSR and Artinagar. BTM stands for three different area names. That is Bhairasandra, Tavarikeri and Madiwala. And HSR stands for two different names. That is Hosur and Sarjapur Road. And Artinagar stands for the great Rabindranath Tagore Nagar. Your next stop is
Shivajinagar. Ningondo Namaskara.
yes, as the name specifies, this place Shivajinagar was named after the great Maratha king Chhatrapati Shivaji. This is because simple, he had spent his childhood days in this place. Now let's fly to Yelahanka since we have the Kempegowda International Airport very nearby. The city of Yelahanka had been in existence prior to 12th century. I think we can call it as old city of our Bengaluru. The region was called as Illai Pakkanadu during the rule of Cholas. Later during the Hoysala rule, the city came to be known as Yelavanka and later gradually shifted to Yelahanka. If you deep dive into the history, a stone tablet of 1267 AD found in Dodbalapur mentioned Dechi Devarasa ruling the region with Yelahanka as his capital.
ఇంకా చాలే ఆపరా.
Okay guys, that's it for the day.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು?
Sir, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಅಂತ. I hope you guys like the video. For more such kind of videos, please do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.